So I just want to start this video by saying that I'm pissed because I recorded how I got this wig like out of the box. I still do. Oh wait, no, I don't have anything. So I got this hair from Sunber hair, and I went ahead and bleached the knots and everything. So I guess now that all of my stuff is just deleted, which is perfect. Not really, but I'm gonna just show you guys how I put this on. So I went ahead and bleached the knots and everything. It did come pre-plucked, but I might just end up customizing this because yeah, you can't see, like, it doesn't look natural. So I'm gonna pluck it again, but I'm just trying to figure out. Yeah, I'm gonna pluck it again. Okay, so I will show you guys how I pluck it. And I went ahead and just laid my stocking caps down. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it looks very crusty. I just have on two stocking caps, or I call them stocking caps. They're wig caps. I hope you guys can see. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pin her. And there. So move you down just a tad. Move her down. So the hair is a natural 1B color. I didn't dye this one because I don't have any hair dye right now. So in the future, she will be jet black like my other wigs are. So I'm just gonna brush most of her back so I can clip it. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of pluck a lot of the hair back. So you can just see, and I'm gonna just take like random pieces. I'm not doing this in any particular order. Okay, so now that we plucked the front a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and try to install it. So, is this crooked? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and try to install it. The products I'm gonna be using, you're gonna need a hair dryer, and I'm gonna use my Got To Be spray, and I'm just gonna spray my my wig cap until it gets a little bit sticky, and then I'm gonna proceed to put on my wig. Tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now. Alright, so okay, so this part is pretty much already trying to stick down, so I'm just gonna go. I'm actually gonna do this first. I'm gonna pin. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. That back there. Oh. Oh! Oh! This lace definitely just ripped. Okay, be careful. Don't rip your lace. So this side, I'm definitely gonna have to customize a little bit more. It's still a little thick. We don't need that. But yeah.
From miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways. I can't blame you, no.
Okay, so I was able to get it on. We went ahead and laid everything down. But like I said, I am going to go through and customize a little bit more because the side is a little bit thick. And we don't want that. So it is a body wave, but I think I'm going to curl her, and I wanted to do a side part because all of my wigs are middle parts. So I did pluck it a little bit, but she probably need a little more plucking because, well, it's not full lace, so that's gonna be an issue. But oh my gosh, you literally can barely see this part. This is ridiculous. Y'all see where this thing stops? It stops like right here. What am I supposed to do with that? Oh, Lord Jesus. Okay. I really want it to be a side part though. Oh my God. I need to do something with these baby hairs. I'm tempted to just cut them right on off, but I'm not gonna. I'm trying to think like what I want to do to this hair. I think I'm gonna curl her with the flat iron. I think that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm going to attempt to cut some layers in this too, because this is just not gonna work. I don't even have a part. All right, I'm gonna work on these baby hairs really quick.
From miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways. I can't blame you, no.
So I'm just wrapping up, putting my baby hairs, laying them down. In the meantime, excuse me, I'm gonna plug up my flat iron so we can go ahead and do something to this hair. To lay my baby hairs down, I just took turns using the Nairobi foaming lotion and then my Easy Edges edge control. And I am using a baby toothbrush again because my brush that I was using, my actual edge brush, disappeared somehow. Okay, so there is lace here, and I'm probably gonna leave it there because I am a lazy piece of something. So I'm gonna just leave that, and then this lace is coming up. Okay, I'm gonna just cut this back a little bit with my razor comb. And I did bleach the knots of this wig when I got it. I can't remember if I told you guys that, but I did bleach the knots. I didn't color it because I don't have any hair color at the moment. So just use a little bit of that Nairobi foam, and I'm gonna just like swoop this like down towards my ear. Some of this soft hairspray from Away. This is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna section my hair off. So I'm gonna flat iron it first, and then I'm going to curl it. So let's do a little bit of this.
Ritualistic plans and my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart,
Okay, so for this front part, I think I'm going to, dare I say, cut it. Just so I can have some body and some volume. So I don't cut here, so I'm just using my razor comb to like cut a lot of this off. And I'm just going at an angle like this. See? I'm gonna actually grab my scissors and like, let me not chop a huge part off. Look at that. Okay. So now that we did that, look, reluctantly, regretfully, I should say. But this hair has a lot of volume right here, and I'm pretty sure that's because I just flipped it that way. But I'm just going ahead and curling my little bang piece that I just made. I'm just gonna curl all of that backwards so that we have something. So I think it looks really, really cute. This hair holds curl really well so far. Let me curl this part. And I am going to brush a lot of this out because I want it to kind of be full and full of body and stuff. I didn't want it to be as, you know, like defined or whatever. And so, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I've never had my hair like this before, like ever. But I feel like a whole new bitch. Like you can definitely tell I cut this, but it's still cute. I feel like I should cut this side too. Just, I'm scared. I don't want to cut it and then like regret it, you know? So I ended up cutting it. My camera died and I cut it while I was off camera, but I think it looks pretty good. For someone who doesn't do hair, I think it came out really cute. And again, this wig is from Sunber Hair. It is their 18-inch body wave wig in the color Natural 1B, whatever you want to call it. It holds curl very, very well, and I've worked with them before in the past doing videos, but I'm so in love with the way it came out. It's so cute. And yeah, again, I'm sorry you guys that I don't have like the full video of me like laying my lace down and my wig cap and everything. Like everything just got deleted, so I apologize about that. But I do hope that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to this video if you guys have any questions. Again, I don't do hair. This is not like, this is in my arena. Like I don't do this on a day-to-day basis. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not any of that. I just do makeup. So but this is how it looks on me back, so you guys can see. Isn't she cute? I feel cute. Anyways, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you stay tuned for Thursday's video. It's gonna be amazing. Thank you guys for watching.
You're just doing that to get